Oh, Barlow!
Oh my god!
No, don't show Jez, don't show Jez.
What?
Wait till Jez joins. Jez, join.
Oh my god! You love how I'm just sort of staring at you from across the dock,
Are you perving on me?
holding my rod, holding that rod up nice and firm.
I am deeply offended. I see you staring at my tits.
Your cringy tits?
Oh yeah, mate.
This music's getting slowly more erotic.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Doo-doo,
Very
doo-doo,
erotic.
doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
I feel
Staring
like
across the dock.
we're gonna get so bored way, then we're just gonna bang on the dock. There's a perfectly good chair over there too. It's nice and red.
Oh yeah.
Got enough fuel, do you, Brad?
I think so.
I
A
have
lot of it.
15 fuels.
Woo.
Also have 30 underwater cameras.
And do I have to assign them to my things?
Oh, maybe.
Are they in your hotkey down the bottom?
I can't do that with the water camera.
Yeah, but they act. Do you have them anywhere on this screen?
Just in my inventory. Hey, who's your navigator?
What?
In your inventory, who's your navigator? Comes as a picture.
Inventory.
Press I.
Scarlet.
Oh, cool, you're Scarlet as well. Tell Jeremy if you
Wait
don't
on
know,
Jeremy.
by 10 past 7, we're going to start without him.
I think we've reached something. Back to the computer. Set is on. I repeat, the head is on.
Oh, he's back.
What did I miss?
Everything. Hurry and join us.
Join where? What?
Channel 2, Asia
I'm gonna-
North Seas free mode, Asia North Seas Channel 2. You'll know which server it is. You don't even need to read the
Hey,
server
hey.
name, you'll just know it.
How did you get out of the thing?
Magic. So much magic and random clicking.
How do I get into this new one?
He believed in my tits.
So,
Just hit back until you get to that menu.
See,
Asia
just-
again?
That's all you gotta do, you just have to believe in my tits. Yep. Channel 2, and you'll know the server.
You will know.
oh, wait, is this in free play?
Yep.
Whatever it was.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Then Asia North, and then Channel 2.
A menu button that works, but it's not useful now because I have to go here.
Yay.
I am Ben.
Yep. We need that Ben cameo. Alright, everyone ready up?
Sup, bitches. At least, and the menu button works this time too.
Woo!
Yep, alright, let's start.